Welcome to my. Now we are going to see about the process stochastic resource provisioning for containerized multi-tier web services in clouds. Then comes the abstract of our process. So under today's web traffic, the fine-grained container control promises more efficient resource provisioning for web services and better resource utilization in the cloud data centers. So in this paper, we present two-stage stochastic programming resource allocation. It optimizes resource provisioning for containerized entire web services in accordance with the fluctuations of incoming workload to accommodate predefined SLOs on response latencies. And in particular, in this technique is capable of maintaining resource over provisioning by addressing dynamics of web traffic as workload uncertainty. In a native stochastic optimization model using special purposes open optimization framework. So here we fully implemented this in and evaluate against three other existing allocation schemes. So here the Docker based OS Linux VMs on Amazon, we generate workloads based on four real world web traces of various traffic variations, and it achieves the minimum resource over provisioning, outperforming other schemes. So in particular, it allocates only 6% more than the application's actual demand on average. So it achieves further reduction on total resources provisioned compared to other schemes, delivering overall cost savings, and furthermore demonstrate consistency in provisioning decisions and robust responsiveness against workload fluctuations. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So here the web request, that is the web application data, is allocating in the server. So this process will carried out how the web application's data and the request was consumed by the server and allocated in the server. So here the web requester has to register and log in for the process, that is the only authorized person can use this. So the authorized person will send the web request, so that is the web application data will be sent, and the request profiling is nothing but analyzing and improving and displaying the data. So and then redirecting the data into the server to allocate in the server. So here we web requester will send request to the server to allocate the web application data. So the server immediately start the allocation by creating the data center. So the comes under the allocation process. So here in the allocation process, we used Cloud Sim as for the simulation and to create the cloud environment as a server. So here the data center and the VMs, brokers and the cloudlets were created, and then so in the particular data center, the requested file will be allocated, and the file allocation response will be acknowledgement will be sent to the web requester finally. Then comes the running procedure of our process: stochastic resource provisioning for containerized multi-tier web services in clouds. So first we have to run the home.java. So this is the home page. So click here. So this is the page for the web requester. So here the web requester has to register. So this is the registration page. So here username. So the registration was successful. So using our email ID and the password, you have to log in. login success. So we are going to now upload our web request. So I am selecting on web content. So this is the file name and the file path and the file content. So here I am going to upload this file to the server. So before that we have to get start the server. So first we have to upload. So now we have to start our server. So for that we have to run here under the server, outside server, run file. So we have to start cloud sim and then we have to send acknowledgement. So here we have to create the data center. So the data center was created. So then comes the data broker. So broker was created successfully. So then next the VM. So the VM was created. Then cloudlet. So then we have to check the load completion for the our created environment, and we have to then allocate the our web data into our server. So here the main execution process is carried out. So here it was the success, the status was success. So that is our file has allocated in the second server. So here we are created 3 servers. So here the second server was allocated. So here then send acknowledgement, get result. So the file was successfully uploaded. That is, the file was stored. That is, the resource was allocated in cloud. So that's all about our process. Thank you.